Still in the United States, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell has announced a decision by the Federal Reserve to go ahead with another rate hike at the end of their two-day open market committee meeting. During the briefing, Powell announced that Federal Reserve will raise the rate by other 3/4 of a percentage point. This is the second straight time the banking system has decided to raise rates. The decision comes as the country battles with 9.1% inflation rate, the highest in decades. The Federal Reserve hasn't raised rates by a combined 1.5% percentage point in consecutive meetings since the 1980s. In reaction, White House spokesperson Jean-Pierre said Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell was very clear that the U.S. is not currently in a recession and the labor market continues to be strong. She also said President Biden is keenly aware of the prices for gas, food, and goods is still too high, but is doing the work needed to lower prices.
So as I mentioned, it doesn't seem that the U.S. economy is in recession right now, and I think you do see weakening, some slowdown, let's put it that way, in growth, and you see it across some of the categories that I mentioned, but there's also just the very strong data coming out of the labor market still. So overall, you would say that in all probability, demand is still strong.
The way that we see is that we are not currently in a recession or a pre-recession. And look, we're going to let the Fed do its business. We're going to let them continue to be independent, and that's what the president has said. They are committed to making sure that we lower inflation or tackle inflation for the American people. So we're going to let them do their job. They have the monetary policy to do that. So I won't speak further into exactly what they're doing and how.